Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Count Life. I'm Adil. And this is?
Naya!
And we're here at?
Hershey Adventure! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That's right, folks. We're here at the Hershey Super Sweet Adventure in Chicago, Illinois, conveniently located at the Water Tower Place. So this is the first of its kind in the nation, so we're very excited to check this place out. So let's go ahead and have a look and see what's inside. Today is the media day, so we get a sneak peek at what this place is all about. So as soon as you enter, you're going to have to register your group, put everyone's name, email, and then get started. And as soon as you're registered, you take a picture for your badge.
Here they're giving you a quick rundown of the geography of how everything is laid out in the main room.
Welcome and enjoy. So each area is a small section, activities that you can do, all set up. So we're gonna start over here. This is the flavor intensification station. I think this is the Jolly Rancher. What do we got here?
These are the flavor sensors for
Flavor
all of the
sense.
Yep.
Okay.
That is cherry, green apple, watermelon, grape. And
Nuria, this one.
raspberry.
Use this one.
Raspberry.
All right, I gotta smell this. Oh yeah, it smells like grape. You smell it? What does it smell like?
Watermelon.
It's nice they got different sizes, heights, so even the little ones can enjoy. Ah, that one you need a little lift. So each area has a check-in place where you gotta use your wristband, you scan in, it registers you, you do the activity, and then once you pass the activity, you get a badge for something fun at the end.
Keep going to the slight grease top until that close as red ticket.
You did it! Next up is another station here. Oh, it's windy in here, so you scan right here, and it's cold. You got the air conditioning running here. Oh, icebreakers, that's why. So you got the icebreakers zone right here. And we move on to the next thing. What do we have here? Little sound effect here. And then you got the Sure Shop on the corner here. A little area for the kids to draw color. So once you're done coloring, you bring it over here, place it down, and you can watch your creation come to life. Oh, that is so cool. You like that? You want to do yours next? Go ahead, put it on top. That's so cool. Oh, they put my name on there too. Nice. Oh, that's yours? That one came out pretty quick. All right, they're gonna put the label on top. Where's the label? Oh, there it is. What'd you write? Oh, that's for me?
Yeah.
Aw, thank you. All right, next up is Reese's. So a few activities on this way. So you got some blasters. Go ahead and load it up. And then Target. Of course, don't forget to check in. A bunch of balls in this area, so feel free to use them. And actually, you know what? They got more things on this side. They also got these little doors set up everywhere, so if you press the button,
Sometimes you don't.
so here you can see your badge progress. So you just scan it down there. It'll load up every station you've been to, so make sure you're checking it everywhere because you have to sign in to every location to see the end surprise. It's where the end surprise is, the head sweet seeker. That's who we're gonna go visit next. So we did miss one area, so we're gonna go ahead and check out Twizzlers and then head on over to see the head sweet seeker. Makes you dizzy, right?
I've watched you tinker your way through all the challenges thrown at you. So, let's see who becomes an honorary sweet seeker. You want to stage your best? Let's see.
Oh, congratulations!
You became an honorary sweet seeker. All right. No problem.
So on the way out, one more picture. You can go ahead and purchase at the end. And then they exit you back to where you started from, little gift shop here. Purchase some candy, souvenirs. So it's not officially open yet, so under construction still. Putting the rest of this up. But yeah, plenty of things you can purchase out this way. You can also purchase a Hershey's bar with your picture on it. All right, so we're all done here. It took about an hour to get through everything.
Yeah.
What'd you guys get at the end? What do we get? Let's see. Oh, we got some souvenirs, keepsake. You guys passed. You guys did good. You guys have fun?
Yay!
Well, there you folks have it, the Hershey Super Sweet Adventure in Chicago, Illinois. If you guys have any questions about this place, ask these two down below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, guys.
Bye-bye.